I'm over with the team now at Made for Trade. I am joined by the lovely Mark. Mark, how is it going?
Well, do you know what? It's been a great day, but people have been coming and asking about our new roof lantern, and the problem is they're saying it's taken more time to get it out of the packaging than it is to build it. So we want to show you how easy it is to build. So Brad and Mike are going to put it together between 5 and 10 minutes. Wow. The whole thing put together. But that's down to years of research and engineering that they've put together. You know, this product is built in the UK and supplied from the UK. You know, everything here under one roof. And the level of engineering is so high on it. It's hard to explain because it's so simple. You know, the fittings are simple, the connections are simple. And as you can see, the guys are putting it together. They've already got the base on here.
Did we miss that? The base is already on.
The base is already set on.
That's fantastic. So what is Brad doing down here? I also love that you've got your director working hard down there.
Brad likes, you know, he always likes to get stuck in, I have to say. He might have that white shirt on, but when he goes home at night, it's filthy.
Yeah. Good. Working hard, but also just showing. So yeah, talk us through exactly what's going on.
So right, they're putting the roof beams together for the lantern at the moment. Once they're all connected together, they're tightened up by this one screw on the top. Then that'll be taken up and put onto the ring beam and set in place. And you can see that is already put together.
I mean, that itself looks like it should take days to make, but actually that was put together in literally about 30 seconds, wasn't it?
Also, look at how rigid it is and how, you know, how quick it can be put into place. And I can't emphasize this enough. The engineering is superb. And what's shocking about it is the simplicity. But that's what you want. You want that simplicity. It's also, this roof lantern is in PAS 24, so it's completely security covered. It's got double silicon seals around the bottom of it. It's screwed down. It's got a double glazing unit that'll all click into place. I think you're going to be very impressed with it. I didn't actually look at my watch now, but I think we're actually about 2.5 minutes in.
I know, we're nowhere near 5 minutes yet at all. Because I hear that this is a bit of a development from a previous product. It's just better than the previous one, for speed, I was told.
Well, it's not only better for speed, it's better in many ways. One, again, the engineering, but the profiles are a lot smaller, so smaller profiles, more light coming in to your property. The efficiency of fitting it, but also we supply the upstands for it now, which comes in a SIPS form, so that's fully insulated SIPS upstand. So when you order your product, that will arrive sort of 4 days after you've ordered it. The roofers can get everything put in place, get it all flashed and ready to go, and then when your window turns up, it's basically fixed into place here. Do you know what? We're on 4 minutes.
It's so impressive already. I mean, the fact that that's already at that stage. I mean, it's not too far from completion now, is it?
No, it's not. Do you know what? They haven't even said a word. So let's ask Brad very quickly.
Should we go? How's it all going?
It's stressful, but yeah, it's all right. It's going together all right. We just got the glass to put in next, and then put the top caps on. It's pretty much done. So 2 minutes, I reckon I can have it done.
Okay. All right, well, let's... Oh, sorry.
What's made it so simple?
We just took what is inherently difficult on site and tried to engineer those problems out by making things fit only one way. So there's no sort of variation in how it fits. Removing the time-consuming elements like the sealing of the product, which is inherently time-consuming, or the glazing. So we've integrated a glazing retainer into this part on the end, which is
So it's all in one piece.
It's all one piece. It does several jobs, but it just then drops into place only in one position, and just keeps it simple.
I mean, it's amazing because it completely eliminates that chance of mistakes, like you said, with positioning or putting things together. It is just going to happen.
It is. It's. This is the third time I've built this, so I think considering that's the. We're not going to be too sharp.
But not only is the engineering clever, the sections are smaller, the sealing of it is simple, it's beautiful.
It really is beautiful.
It's a really nice piece.
Yeah, and like you said, the fact that actually more light is now getting in, it really does. I mean, if you were under that, you can absolutely understand why people are loving this so much. What are we on? So the final
6 minutes, I think.
final features going on now. Talk us through what's happening.
Okay, they're closing the bars down now, so the double glazing units are in place, and they're putting the clips onto the top of the roof now, and then they put the end corners on. But if you look at the end corners, there's a little red clip, and what they would do is they'd fill that with silicon, and the silicon goes into one point and works its way around in a complete circle, which means it's completely sealed from the elements.
Wow. So not only is it fast and efficient, it is weatherproof, obviously is what we need, and is something that is going to last for years as well and continue to look stylish.
And it's made in the UK.
And it's made in the UK. They finished! Oh my, what time are we on?
I think we did 7 minutes.
All right, well I think we should give them a little round of applause.
Round of applause.
Very good. That's incredible. I actually can't get over the speed of that. Brad, I'm going to get you in for a minute. I know we've just been making you work hard. Did you say that was the third time you've built that today?
It's the third time I've ever built it.
Oh, ever?
Yeah, so not today. I built it 15 minutes ago, and then that was the third time. So
Wow. And that's how simple it is. I mean, proof in the pudding there.
it's really easy. That's what it's been developed for. So it comes with a full colour installation manual, similar to a popular child's toy, blocks, and it really is sort of child's play to put together. So it only goes together one way, and it's really simple and fast, like you can see.
Yeah, amazing. So why then is it important that you've brought this down to showcase here at Fit Show?
Okay, so we're currently the market leader with the Lantern product that we currently have, and we wanted to elevate it and show improvement iteratively so our customers can see that we're moving things on. So the brief was to make it better or the same in every way. We've reduced material content so it is more cost effective, so there's a saving to be had on this product over the old one, and it's marginally quicker, although it was already fast before. We have improved that. It's improved on the sealing and the air permeability. It's better thermally. It's past 24 secured by standard, which that's a novel thing that I don't think anybody else is offering. And so it's just raised the bar really, and we've improved on the engineering to enable this to happen. So really a big shout out to everyone back at the office, because we've done a really good job.
You heard it here first. You did a very good job. So there we are. I'm feeling like a summer party should be in order to celebrate this.
Yeah, absolutely. Get the beers.
Get the beers in. We heard that.
As we said, it's quicker to build than it is to unpack.
Yeah.
And it's built here in the UK.
Well, listen, thank you both so much. And thanks to Mike as well. He's over there resting. Brad, building it and then coming over and chatting to us as well. Well done. And Mark, thank you for taking us through all of that. Really appreciate it. Come down to the Made for Trade stand and, well, I'm sure we could persuade them all to build it again.